Here's the app called gogh, Focus with your avatar, Focus Timer and Avatar Maker. So this app recently was making some trends. It's in productivity category. Keep off your smartphone and focus on your work with favorite ambience, beautiful sounds, and your own personalized avatar. Boost your productivity with the Pomodoro technique. Customize timers to match your pace. Enjoy lo-fi music by Japan. Lo-fi records. Immerse yourself in the perfect soundtrack and ambient sounds. Concentrate with users and friends from around the globe. Step outside your room into a captivating world beyond. Create your avatar, create room, camera mode. So stay focused. Keep off your phone with Pomodoro timer, ambient sound player, boost productivity, furnish, decorate, personalize your room, your avatar. So a lot of interesting things in features in this app. It's an interesting angle. And then you can just try to sign in. This app requires a lot of data to be downloaded, so you need to be careful. And then you just need to go and start creating your avatar. So this is, for example, you can customize it. What's your name? You can save what's your birth date, and your avatar is ready. Take a photo. And then sign up. You can sign up with Apple or Google. Select room style, so then you can just select different styles of the room, and notifications. And that's basically the idea. You can select playlists, you can select different sounds, timers. You can create your own workspace, and then you can work together in the space. So you can zoom. So yeah, here you can just zoom around, you can see the room, and then you can just kind of hang out with the avatar. And then yeah, you can just hang out just like that. And that's the idea. And then yeah, you can just kind of hang out like this. And then there is music, and yeah, quite nice. You can also join the public space. In here you can choose your avatar, and then here is your account where you can start focus. So quite nice. Again, graphics controls, and quite interesting app which you can just explore. And that's the idea. So kind of then you're spending time. So that's the idea. And then yeah, you can just start like Pomodoro technique in here, or you can just start count up. And then the point is that you can just leave your phone like that, and it kind of shows you the time, shows you the timer, and you kind of spending time together. It's quite cool. So yeah, that's the idea in here.